Do you want to speak English fluently, but grammar rules always confuse you? You try to remember tenses, verbs, and rules, but when you start speaking, your mind goes blank. Today, I'll show you how you can speak English easily and fluently without memorizing grammar rules. Yes, it's true! You don't need hundreds of grammar books to sound confident in English. In this video, I'm going to teach you a very simple method that helped thousands of people speak English faster. And you can start using it right after watching this video. So make sure you stay till the end. Let me give you a quick example. Think about when you learned to use your smartphone for the first time. Did you read the full manual or study the instructions before using it? No, you just started using it. You touched the buttons, made mistakes, learned by trying, and soon it became easy. The same thing happens with English. You don't need to study all the grammar rules before speaking. You need to use the language, make small mistakes, and learn naturally through real practice. That's how native speakers learn, not by studying grammar, but by using English in real life. Most English learners try to remember grammar rules like subject plus verb plus object. But when you talk, you don't have time to think about rules. You need to speak fast. That's why grammar study can actually slow you down. So instead of learning grammar, start learning English in phrases. For example, don't just learn the word go. Learn small phrases like go to school, go to work, or go out with friends. When you use phrases, your brain remembers the pattern automatically. You don't have to think about which tense or preposition to use. It just comes naturally. Now here's the next step. Listen and repeat every single day. Listening is the best way to learn correct grammar, without even trying. When you listen to real English, your brain picks up the grammar rules automatically. You start to feel what sounds right. You don't need to memorize it. So listen to short English videos, songs, or podcasts that you like. Then repeat what you hear. Don't just listen silently. Open your mouth and copy the speaker. Even short sentences help. For example, if you hear, "What are you doing?" Say it out loud. What are you doing? This builds your fluency, your confidence, and your pronunciation. Another powerful trick is to think in English. I know it's not easy at first, but it works like magic. Stop translating from your native language to English. When you translate, you lose time and your grammar gets mixed up. Instead, start thinking simple English thoughts. For example, if you want to say I'm tired, don't think in your language first. Just say it directly in English. I'm tired. Or, it's raining. I'm hungry. I like coffee. These small thoughts help your brain stay in English all the time. And slowly, you'll stop needing grammar rules because you'll start to feel what's right. Let me tell you a secret. Fluency is not about knowing everything. It's about practicing a little every day. Even 10 minutes daily can make a big change. You can listen to an English story while you walk, repeat short sentences while cooking, or talk to yourself in English before sleeping. Make English part of your daily life. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. So remember, don't worry about grammar rules. Focus on phrases, listen every day, repeat out loud, and think in English. That's how you build real fluency. Grammar will come naturally when your brain hears enough correct sentences. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning English. And tell me in the comments, do grammar rules confuse you too? I'd love to know. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep smiling.